Good afternoon, it's Anna from Kingsbridge Autos here, just sending you a quick walk around video of our brand new into stock. This is our absolutely stunning 2021 Mercedes A45s. Beautiful, finished in my favourite Mercedes colour, mountain grey metallic. It's got the AMG aerodynamics pack. It's got Maxton kit. It's got the full aero kit. It's in beautiful condition. Full Mercedes service history as well. It really stands out, and just look at the paint on it. It's amazing. Beautiful condition. 2 private owners, 2 keys. It's even got a Cobra sports exhaust system, so it sounds absolutely fantastic. It's got the factory fitted aero kit, an absolute essential, black badges, lovely red brake calipers on the AMG alloys. It's just such a stunning car, amazing condition, pan roof. It's got all the extras you could possibly want. My favourite part of it is definitely the interior. It's a 2-tone black with yellow stitching. It just stands out from what else is on the market. I'll show you the interior. Privacy glass as well. We've got the Maxton side skirts. Yellow stitching throughout the car as well. Electric heated memory seats. And then you even have this insane custom carbon steering wheel, which looks absolutely incredible. Gloss black trims, and then of course these amazing seats, perforated leather, 2-tone black and yellow. Even has the matching yellow and black AMG carpet mats, large digital display. Turn it on for you and see what it sounds like. It sounds insane. It's a really lovely exhaust. You've got your sports exhaust button here, or on your steering wheel, your start stop, your different driving modes here on a little digital display, which is nice, a really nice feature. Sport plus, comfort, etc. Ambient lighting throughout. The all important sliding pan roof. I would not buy one of these without a sliding pan roof. So it's perfect for summer and also winter, because you've got your heat seats. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all your usual boring bits as well. You've got the track pace on there, all your usual Mercedes apps, sat nav, radio, cameras as well. If I pop it into reverse in a sec. Got your reverse camera there, different views with parking lines. Plenty of storage in there as well. And then your suspension, adaptive suspension, this little stick here changes the firmness of how the car drives. Plenty of storage in there as well. Let's park and show you the exterior with the engine on. Sounds so good. I never can say a car is immaculate because we sell used cars, but it is in beautiful condition for a 70 plate car. One of the nicest A45s we've ever had. I'm obsessed with the steering wheel as well. The ambient lighting, you can change the colour of. It's got gloss black window trims. Rear seats are pretty much unused with no marks or anything on them. always sell well when they stand out, so especially ours is one of the nicest on the market, I would say, if not the nicest, with all the kit, all the extras. It's a very, very special car. So if you have any more questions at all, just let us know.